Imagine a centralized enterprise network, absorbing thousands of rapid-fire requests from dozens of external nodes every single day. The system bottleneck you are picturing is the reality of enterprise IT. Maintaining these networks is a massive industry, with ongoing support and maintenance constituting roughly 50 to 60% of all enterprise ERP projects. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning, which is the core software companies use to manage day-to-day business activities, like accounting, procurement, and supply chain operations. The precise friction point in managing these highly customized enterprise systems is that they generate immense, repetitive support overhead. To filter and solve these problems, IT departments currently rely on a slow, linear, human-tiered escalation hierarchy to route requests. That structure is now facing direct disruption from specialized, highly context-aware artificial intelligence, specifically tools like SAP Joule. Joule operates as a structural layer within the ERP, rather than a standalone chatbot for basic customer service queries. This specialized AI flattens the IT support hierarchy, reducing the required headcount for L1 and L2 teams and mathematically compressing SLAs. SLAs, or service level agreements, are the contracted timeframes within which an IT team promises to resolve a specific type of user issue. Integrating localized AI shifts enterprise IT from linear human triage to an intercepted automated workflow, changing how organizations budget for and execute system support. This diagram maps the baseline workflow of a traditional enterprise IT support ticket, starting at the top with the end user. When they encounter a system error, their first step is to ask their key user for guidance. If that key user bottleneck cannot resolve the error, the query must escalate past them. Unresolved queries drop down to an L1 team, often an outsourced group hired to handle basic master data or transaction errors. The most complex issues are pushed down again to the highly specialized L2 team for custom configuration or ABAP changes. ABAP is the high-level programming language created by SAP specifically to build custom business applications. The inherent friction in this matrix is evident at every step, as each jump requires manual ticket categorization and creates human latency. That latency compounds during knowledge retrieval. Human consultants spend valuable time manually searching old team folders to find past solutions or FAQs. To put a metric on this, a typical end-user group might generate 40 separate support queries per month that must travel this specific path. This traditional escalation matrix is inefficient because it relies heavily on human transit time to connect a known problem with a known solution. This diagram compares standard AI models against a specialized ERP copilot, which acts as a new central interception node sitting directly between the end user and the software core. Generic LLMs, large language models, trained on massive amounts of text data to generate human-like responses, scrape the public web for answers. In contrast, specialized enterprise AI ingests the client's unique, secure configurations. Ingesting this structural data means the AI reads the company's proprietary organizational setups, internal knowledge repositories, and custom T-codes. A T-code, or transaction code, is a shortcut in SAP used to access a specific screen or execute a particular business process. This allows the AI to intercept problems instantly. If a user asks how to process a highly customized goods receipt, the AI already knows the bespoke workflow and answers immediately. Because the AI knows the precise proprietary environment, it prevents the user from ever needing to ping a human key user. The resulting drop in ticket volume is severe. Those 40 monthly queries previously escalated to a key user plummet to roughly 10 to 25. This volume drop eliminates the translation layer, where human users try to explain complex system behavior to other human users. The remaining highly complex queries that the AI cannot instantly solve for the end user still bypass the key users and become formalized tickets. By ingesting the organization's unique configuration data, the AI bypasses the traditional reliance on the first two tiers of the support matrix for routine inquiries. This diagram illustrates what happens to the complex issues that do require human intervention in the L1 and L2 tiers. The AI executes automated ticket routing by parsing unstructured user emails using an NLP engine. NLP, or natural language processing, is a branch of artificial intelligence that helps computers understand and interpret human text, allowing the system to instantly categorize the issue by technical module. This routing eliminates triage latency. The ticket goes directly to the correct specialized consultant without human middle management. As the ticket is routed, an augmented resolution process triggers. The AI automatically retrieves and appends highly similar historical tickets from the internal database. By having the exact historical context instantly provided, a junior L1 consultant acts as a human capability multiplier, executing repairs at the speed of a senior L2 consultant. Support also shifts from reactive fixes to proactive, predictive maintenance. The AI actively monitors the ERP database memory limits in the background. It also monitors spool thresholds. A spool threshold refers to the maximum capacity of the temporary storage area, where print jobs and background processing tasks wait to be executed. By tracking these limits, the AI flags memory anomalies and alerts basis teams well before an end-of-month processing load causes a system-wide crash. The AI doesn't just resolve support tickets faster, it prevents major structural issues from ever entering the escalation matrix, neutralizing threats before they impact business operations. This side-by-side comparison visualizes the structural flattening of the system. Because routine queries are intercepted and complex tickets are pre-packaged with solutions, L1 team headcount requirements are drastically reduced. Despite fewer people on the team, service-level agreements mathematically compress, resolving issues twice as fast. This acceleration reaches the very top of the hierarchy. AI summarizing ABAP code changes drops L2 review times from hours down to minutes. If the AI is doing the rote triage and configuration checks, what is the role of the human consultant? The value of an enterprise IT professional shifts from memorizing system configurations or basic troubleshooting paths towards architectural oversight. The new premium skill is a deep understanding of overarching business process architecture, like understanding taxation strategies or the impact of global tariffs on supply chains. The human is still required to design, maintain, and prompt the AI knowledge repositories that keep the system accurate. In the AI-augmented enterprise, the IT consultant is no longer a human user manual for the software. They have become the strategic architect governing the AI that runs the system.